Hello children, I have already discussed the concept of majoritarianism, concept of civil war and accommodation in Belgium. In this video, I shall discuss why power sharing is desirable. But first let us discuss the word power. What is power? In physics, the rate of doing work is called as power. In cricket, you must have heard this word power play. In this period of power play or in this phase of power play, the batting side tries to score as many runs as possible and the bowling side tries to take as many wickets as possible. So in this power play period, the match can go to either side, either to the batting side or to the bowling side. In case you are a fan of WWE, you may argue that your favorite wrestler John Cena is more powerful than others. So these are the meaning or uses in cricket, in science and in WWE. In democratic politics, the meaning of power is different. We shall define or discuss the meaning of power in terms of legislative, in terms of executive and in terms of judiciary. What is the meaning of power in legislative, or what is the meaning of the legislative power? The power to make laws is called as legislative power, and this is a function of legislature, Odisha Legislative Assembly. Here laws are made for the entire state. Parliament, laws are made for the entire country. So the power to make laws, that comes under legislative. Executive, once a law gets created, someone has to implement those laws. से आईन को जड़े कार्यकारी करेंगे, से आईन को जड़े लागू करेंगे, right? That is the power of executive. And finally, what is the meaning of power of judiciary? What is judiciary? System of courts, Supreme Court, High Court and your district courts, and they have a power of judicial review. That means they see that the laws in the country, the laws that are made follow the principles of constitution. Tomorrow a government, if decides to make a new law in which boys only will be allowed education, then the judiciary will cancel or will strike out this law. Why? Because this law does not follow the principles of our constitution, that is Article 14, right to equality. So the power to make new laws, that is the legislative power, the power to implement those laws, executive power, and the power to see whether the rules follow the constitution, they are in accordance with the principles of the constitution, that is with the judiciary. So you see here power has been shared among different organs of the government, which you have read in your class 8 and class 9. And you also know that power has been shared among central government, among state, between central, state and the local government. For wider discussion, we have, I will ask you to wait. We shall do that in chapter 2 when we will discuss federalism. But here it is sufficient that we shall I think whatever I have said right till now, it is sufficient, and you can, and from here we can go, we can advance. Now, why power sharing is desirable? First one is prudential reason and second one is moral reason. Why power sharing? कहीं हमें शक्ति को भाग बांटिबा कौन पाए? One is prudential reason, another one is moral reason. So what is the meaning of the word prudential? Prudential means practical. In example of Sri Lanka, there was no power sharing between Sinhala community and Tamil community. As a result, there was fight, right? Civil war. And because of that fight, there was political instability, I'm sorry. So, राजनीतिक अस्थिरता देखा जाइथिला. But in case of Belgium, there was power sharing ହେଇଥିଲା. As a result, there was no fight within the Dutch speaking and the French speaking people. As a result, they had political stability. And what is moral reason? Power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. Power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. People have right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. सेमानंकु केमिति शासन करा हबो सेमानंकर अधिकार अछि जे तांकु आमे आलोचना करि सारी कि तांकु आमे शासन करिबा. I think, well, if you have not understood till now, don't worry. I'm going to discuss further. First, let us discuss the meaning of prudential and moral reason, right? Prudential ro mane kono ba moral reason ro mane kono? Let me give you some more examples. So, prudential reason, ओडिया रे prudential रो माने हला बुद्धिमता. जहाँ भी आमे करू गोटे बुद्धिर काम करू ना कहीं करू. And moral reason, sometimes we do things नैतिकर कारण बेले बेले आम काम कला बेले प्रैक्टिकली करूँ आउ बेले बेले आम मोरालिटी बा विवेक दृष्टि करूँ. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मोराल रीजन. जिते बेले आम गोटे काम तार लाभ दृष्टि करूँ दैट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रुडेंशियल और प्रैक्टिकल रीजन. एंड आम जो विवेक दृष्टिकोण करूँ नैतिकता दृष्टिकोण करी था दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मोरल रीजन. लेट मी गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर your concepts will be clear. First case, suppose you have a younger sister who studies in class 9 and suppose your father brings 10 rasagolla 10 rasagolla anile. How many rasagolla shall you share with your younger sibling? तम सान भौणी सहित केतेटा मिठा भाग करिबो. Prudential reason or practical reason is you should divide 50-50. You should give 5 rasagollas to your sister and you should eat 5 rasagollas. Why? If you are eating 9 rasagollas and you are allowing only 1 rasagolla for your sister, then your sister will cry and will complain to your father. And when your father will ask to you that why you ate 9 rasagollas and gave only 1 rasagolla to your sister, and if your answer is gote khusi, पापा भी दी विधा मारिबे पिठी को तापर से कहबे गोटे खुशी. So prudential reason is, practical reason is you should eat 5 and give your sister 5. Why? This is the principle of equality. Our mothers teach, right? भाग बांटी की समान भाग करके खाइबा. आम माँ माने आम बाबा माने आमको या सिखै थांती, right? Now what is moral reason? You are in class 10th, your sister is in class 9, you are an elder brother. You should be affectionate, you should be caring. तम सान भौणी ताकू स्नेह रे ताकू अधा दब, right? So I hope you have understood the practical reason, the prudential reason and the moral reason. Now let us take another example. COVID 2019, coronavirus, right? My question is, should you step out from your home during lockdown? घर बाहर कथा कि लॉकडाउन समय बिना कारण रे मास्क न पिंधिकी बा जदि भी आम बिना कारण रे पदा को जीवा कि घर बाहर कि. What is the prudential reason? See, when you move out unnecessarily, chances are there you will catch the infection. खालीटार जदि जाउच, the probability is higher that you may catch the infection. Who will suffer, you tell me? Sore throat, तंटी बथा, ज्वर हब, and for 15 days you will have to stay alone. So you will suffer. नाई मते भोगिबार नाही रोग, मो पदा को जीवी नाही. This is practical reason. Now what is moral reason? You may have a small baby in your house, or you may have grandparents who are above 70 years old. Their immunity power, तांकर रोग प्रतिषेधक रोग प्रतिषेधक शक्ति तुम ठारू कम तुम्हें रोग पड़ब तुम्हें ठीक हो 15 दिन पर बट चांसेस आर देयर इफ दे कैच द इन्फेक्शन फ्रॉम यू they may not live any longer. I mean, they may die, right? Because they have low immunity. So the moral reason, the practical reason is I should not step out because I will catch the infection. And practical and moral reason is I may infect even if I go out and I suffer, but still chances are there I may infect my younger brother or my younger sister or my grandparents, and they have low immunity. And once they catch the infection, chances are there that they will die soon. So I should be careful for their lives, is not it? This is the moral reason. Let us take another example. Usually in marriage parties we take a lot more food in our plate, take a lot, okay, compared to what we eat in ordinary times. साधारण समय रे जहाँ खाई था ताठू अधिक खाद्य नहीं जाओ. Now my question is, should you continue with that practice? Prudential reason. अधिका खाऊचंती बदहजमी हम, गैस हम, आउ प्लेट रे बाकी जाक खाद्य को फोपड़ा हम. इट मे कॉज इंडाइजेशन, गैस, acidity, and you may throw the remaining food. But what's the moral reason? In India, many poor people don't get enough to eat. गरीब लोक आमर ये खाद्य खाइबा को पाती नहीं. प्रश्न है, नैतिक प्रश्न है, should you waste food? Na. So I hope you have understood the difference between practical reason or prudential reason and moral reason. Practical reason, prudential reason कौन आ moral reason कौन, आर अर्थ तुम्हें बुझी पारिथिबो एटा मोर आशा. Now let us come back to our original field, prudential reason and moral reason for power sharing. In Sri Lanka, there was no power sharing. So what is the when question arises, what is the prudential reason for power sharing? In Sri Lanka, there was no power sharing. As a result, there was fight and there was political instability. In Belgium, there was power sharing. As a result, there was in Sri Lanka, there was fight, civil war, okay? And in Belgium, because of power sharing, there was no fight and it resulted in political stability. सेठी शक्ति बंटन हो नथिला. श्रीलंका रे झगड़ा है, राजनीतिक अस्थिरता देखागला. बेल्जियम रे शक्ति बंटन होता, झगड़ा कम देखा मिलता, आउ राजनीतिक स्थिरता आसीथिला. So minimum, so this much you have to write. Prudential reason, you don't have to give the examples of Belgium and Sri Lanka, only 2 lines. No power sharing, as a result there was fight and there was political instability. When there is power sharing, there is no fight and it leads to political stability. Now next question, what is the moral reason for power sharing? I have written, power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. Chalo, spirit कौन? Let us discuss this word. Spirit. There are 4 ओडिया meanings. Spirit माने भी मद, spirit माने जीवन शक्ति, spirit माने भाव, spirit माने भी भूत. In ghost movies, oh my god, spirit calling, you must have heard this word, spirit calling. Let us call that ghost. And in cricket, you have heard, in sports you must have heard this word, sportsman spirit. Now what does a sportsman spirit means? Here it means to play honestly, to obey the rules of the game, to give your 100%, to not to feel sad when you get defeat, or not to feel too much happy when you win a game. Okay, you should be always balanced. So these are all sportsman spirit. Now what is the spirit of a mother? Here spirit means also character, also nature. Now a spirit of mother is always caring, providing affection. तुम्हें भावुच कि खाली मनीष माँ मैंने ही स्नेह दियंती आउ जत्न करती? If you think so, you are wrong. Let me show you some pictures. a bird. Provide. What can I say about the spirit of this bird? The spirit of this bird is caring, is to take care and affection for his small chicks, young chicks, okay, baby chicks. Polar bear. The spirit of this polar bear mother is to take care and affection of his polar bear cubs. Elephant. The baby of the elephant is known as calf, baby calf. Baby elephant, the spirit of this elephant is to take care of his baby, right? Panda. Again, this panda, the spirit of this panda, the spirit of this mother is to take care of his baby panda. So, when we say that we are a democratic country, आमे जेतेबेले कही थाउ आमे होचु गोटे गणतंत्र देश, any country that declares itself to be a democratic country, then they have to follow the spirit of power sharing. If someone says that we are a democratic, if any country declares itself to be a democratic country, then they have to share power. So power sharing is the very spirit of democracy. Just like caring is the very spirit of a mother, just like providing affection is the very spirit of a mother, just like taking care of a sister is the very spirit of a brother. Similarly, the very spirit of democracy is power sharing, and people have right to be consulted on how they are to be governed. So from examination point of view, only this page is essential. Why power sharing is desirable? Prudential reason and moral reason. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in my next video. Till then, sayonara.